Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a super healthy recipe for banana, raspberry, apple muffins. These are the ingredients you'll need. 1 mashed banana, 1 cup of diced apple, 2 large eggs, half a cup of brown sugar, the juice of half a lemon or 2 tablespoons, 1 cup of low-fat milk, 3 tablespoons of canola or vegetable oil. You can also use coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 cup of toasted wheat germ. 1 cup of whole wheat flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. A quarter teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of raspberries, and optional 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and line a muffin tin with silicone or paper liners. In a bowl, combine the eggs and the brown sugar and whisk together, making sure all the lumps in the sugar are dissolved. Add the apples, which also have the lemon juice, the mashed banana, milk, oil, and the vanilla, and gently mix. Add the wheat germ, gently mix, and set aside. Combine the flour, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt in a medium bowl. Stir well to combine. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and gently fold with a spatula until everything is well incorporated and all the flour has absorbed the liquid. Then add the raspberries and gently mix again. And now the batter is ready to be spooned into the muffin cups. Fill each cup 3/4 of the way. I am using a cookie scoop and I use 2 scoops per muffin. This recipe gave me 19 muffins. If you're adding nuts, this is the time to sprinkle them on top. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean, and then let them rest in the pan for 5 minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. Once it was completely cooled, I removed the silicone liner, and this is what it looks like inside. You can see the pieces of fruit. These are moist, soft, spongy, mildly sweet, great for breakfast or snack. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!